Today it's all about my cream of garlic soup. It's creamy, smooth, velvety, just darn good. But there's a saying from back in the day, and I think it goes like this, that if you put your lips on this soup will turn you to a vampire that loves garlic. And we all know that vampires don't like garlic, but with this soup, they love it. And before I get started, I'm gonna wash my hands. So let's roast this garlic. Now, you know me, I do not like working hard in the kitchen. You gotta be stress-free. So I'm gonna take my garlic cloves already peeled and ready to go. And the garlic clove actually came from my auntie garden. I call her Teen Bridget, the garden fairy. So I'm going to dump my garlic cloves into my olive oil. Add some more to it to make sure it's very well coated. Because the olive oil helps the garlic clove get nice and brown and release its natural sugar in the garlic cloves. So I'm going to mix it up and roast it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour until they're nice and golden brown little nuggets. So while my garlic cloves in the oven is cooking, let's cut up my vegetables for this soup. So let's cut up the veg now. So I need a half a cup of leeks, a half a cup of onions, and a cup and a half of potatoes. And my leeks are already washed and ready to go. Perfect. Somebody showed you the right way of cutting up an onion. Because in the past, I had seen so many people dice up an onion and it looks a hot mess. It was looking sad. So first, cut off the little hat of the onion, I like to call it, and cut the onion straight down the middle to the back. And I'll put off that little jacket to keep them warm at night. Just like this. And keep your hands curled back. Make incisions through the onion, but go to the back, but not through the back. And make like some couple slices in the center. Watch this, the perfect dice. See? Look at that, nice. So I'm going to add it to my leeks now. And dice up the potato now. So you could use Idaho potato, you could use Yukon Gold like I'm using today. You could use red potatoes, but you want them to be nice and buttery, Yukon Gold is the best potato to get. And then for the parsley. That's it. Time to cook the veg. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil to my preheated pan over medium heat, along with 1/3 of a cup of my roasted garlic. Don't use all this garlic, save the rest. You can use it for garlic toast, garlic eggs, it's good. Or just eat it by itself. It's nice and sweet. Hear that sizzle, the sound of goodness. And now I'm going to add in my leeks and onions. I love the way garlic smell when it's cooking. I'm going to add in some salt and pepper. And all the recipes that I have been cooking is in my new cooking book called My Personal Chef, the only guy you need in the kitchen. Add in some pepper now. Freshly ground black pepper. So I'm going to let this sweat for about 7-8 minutes until the onions and leeks are translucent. See how it tastes first. And my salt. That's it. So my onions and leeks is where I want it to be. This is how they look. Nice and translucent. And they are smelling so good. I mean, you can smell it through the house. Love the way onions and garlic smell. So now I'm going to add in the good stuff. My potatoes that I already diced. My homemade chicken stock. I make this in batches and keep it in the freezer, or I keep it in the refrigerator when I need it during desperate times. Like now. Okay. And now my cream. Half a cup goes in. Perfect. I'm gonna give it a nice little stir and make sure the seasoning is on point. Let's see. A little bit more salt. Salt City. Get a good little mix. See how it tastes. Perfect. So I'm going to let this cook for about 15 minutes until the potatoes are nice and soft and tender. Just like that. So the soup is done. Let's puree it. Add it to my Vitamix. The best blender to get. That's it. Here come my favorite part, trying this delicious cream of garlic soup. Just look at it, it's creamy, smooth, dangerous. Let's try it. It's hot though, but you know, I can handle it. It's creamy, smooth. My stomach hurt, my teeth hurt. Look what this soup done to me. It turned me into a vampire. It was just so good. Now it's time for me to fly out into the night.